Welcome to Target Cubicle Coding Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to use proxy chains in Kali Linux. So, let me add some boxes. So, let us consider we have a PC and a server. We have a PC, we have a PC, and we have a server. So, a general connection is like this. But if we are using ethical hacking tools and we are using Kali Linux or Nmap, if you are using Kali Linux or Nmap, then the most tough thing is that auto draw PC to server. This connection is the bad connection in case of using hacking tools. If you are searching on the internet, it's okay, or else it's a bad connection. Now, what I am going to do now is I am going to use some servers present here. So let's check them out. So let me delete it. So I have certain servers. I have P1 and I have P2. So I have P1 and P2, two proxy servers are present, and from there I have done something like this. So the thing is that, so I am passing my connection, or you can say I am connecting through various proxy servers which are present in between to the server. Server is a computer which is advanced hardware and software and advanced firewall. So it's much stronger than my PC. So it can easily, the server maintenance people can easily track my PC. But when I am passing to proxy servers, they are also both, they are also high level, or you can say very much secure servers which the server maintenance people cannot backtrack. Backtracking is not possible actually. So let me close it and come to proxy. For that, first you need to install, first you get apt-get update. So let us continue. Now I will install some softwares like Leafpad, Tor, and Proxy-chains. Let me tell you something about this. Leafpad, as you know, it is a notepad for Kali Linux. Tor is a service. So if you know what is Tor, you will get it. If you know the company of Tor, then you will know about it. So let me show you Tor. So you can see it is online anonymity service. So I need the Tor service and also the proxy chain. So it will install the services for me. Now you can see all the softwares have been installed. Now I'm going to clear out. All these codes or all these commands which I have entered will be given in a blog down, so you can check them out. Now after you have done that, nano slash etc, sorry, leafpad, I am going to use the leafpad slash etc slash proxychains.conf. I am going to give this, use this folder. Let me increase the font size a little bit. Now if you see, we have three chains presented: dynamic, strict, and random. So dynamic chain, here they contain a chains of proxies. Strict chain I am leaving, it will go step by step all the proxies in the list. So I don't want this. We have different proxies in a proxy list. So what dynamic chain does is that it randomly chooses any proxy server, but the fault in it is that it even chooses the dead servers, means the servers which are not active. So the best one is random chain. So I am uncommented this out, I commented this, and I uncommented this. Just delete the hash or put the hash. So putting the hash means commented, and uncommented means deleting the hash. So this service, now proxy chains will use random chain, in which randomly the proxies are chosen from the proxy list, and the whole, it checks which servers are active and not, and it only chooses the active server. So it's done. Now you can see here SOX5 protocol is given here. So I also need to specify it. I don't want to tell what this SOX5 is, but remember, it doesn't, it helps in protecting us from IP or DNS leaks and in proxies. So just add this protocol SOX5, then press a tab. I repeat, press the tab 127.0.0.1, and then you need to press the space. After you press the space, specify the port number 9050, and it's done. I have saved it. Just save it, close it, and now it was set to go. I am going to stop this Firefox also. So let me clear it out, and after everything has been set up, just I am going to start here the store service store start. It will start the Tor service, and it started. Now let me check out the store status. You can see it's written here active and starting anonymizing overlay network, and I am fully anonymous now. Now I need to give proxy chains Firefox. Now if I search here dnsleaktest.com, let's see what are the areas that I have. So you can see actually this is not my public IP. So let me start a standard test. Extended test tells a huge details, but in standard test we get only a little details. So let's take a standard test and see. So you can see it actually tells where my servers are present. So it's telling I am in Netherlands and my IPs are this, all of these are my IP. But these are not my IPs. I am far away from Netherlands, so these are not my IPs. So you can see here I am fully secured here. Now you can see here the different random chain it's telling me, and where the services are have gone. It is telling which services I have opened and etc and etc. So no need to poke your head into this. So don't worry, these are not important. The important is the using of the proxy chain, because it will be useful further when you use Nmap or other tools. So they will be very much important. So I am pressing Ctrl C to exit. So I have exited out from here, from the proxy chains. Now you can ask, where are these proxy chains? or where are the servers. Now in Google, if you click on google.com, just go to google.com and you will hear proxy servers free. So let us take one out. This is a good website to see the proxy servers. So you can see different proxy servers present here, and we have a Russia, different proxy servers are present, Bangladesh, India, Brazil, Turkey, different proxy servers are present. So this is how we can use the servers and become completely anonymous. Hope so you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and you want the full course of it, just go to the website tcca.co.in. So we have our own website set up. So it is actually a coding academy where we teach different types of coding. You can check them out. And also we have a course on the ethical hacking, which you can check it out. And it's the A to Z course, or you can say the best course in ethical hacking. Hope you have liked this video, and I feel it will be easy to learn ethical hacking for you from this course. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.